we have pepino. Leo has a paleta of watermelon, and we took a strawberry agua for it. Paleta. Roxy has the going to be cleaning out the little chicken coop where they're at right now. Not the big one, because obviously that's their future home. Yeah, where they're, pick that up. Yeah, where they're staying at right now. So we're going to be cleaning that out just because it's a little bit messy and we should be, you know, cleaning it. That we get all this dirty pieces of wood out of here, you know, because this is also bad for them. So I'm going to take out as much as I can out of here, and probably all of it, and clean it up for them. You know, it's been cold too. They like to spill their water all the time, so we want to make sure that we take all the nasty stuff out of here, the gunk. All right, so that's what we're doing. We cleaned it out, we took all that nasty gunk out. Now we're going to be adding this in here. All right. Perfect. So here's their little setup. Right now they're outside over there in the chicken coop, just so they get a little bit of, you know, outside time. I know they're little, but that's how we did it with our other baby chicks, and they came out so awesome. So yeah, we're just doing the same. So they're outside for a little bit, just until I was done cleaning this, but now Leo's going to get them, and then he's bringing them back over here, and this is where they're going to be. This is really a really good habitat for them. It has a heat lamp, which is what they have there, you know, when you get them at the store. So it keeps them warm. And like I said, it's been really cold, so this helps them out a lot. So it's been really good. And then they're also in an area right now, like this is my little shed where I keep my knickknacks and my boxes, all those things. So this is perfect. So they're not out in the wild, they're not out in the open, they're closed up, there's a door here. You know, so this is really good for them. So they're safe. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to be bringing them in here, and they're going to come back, and I'm going to have their food and all that stuff ready for them, so they can. If you guys can see my little shed, I have all types of food for animals. We have bird food, we have chicken food, we have rabbit food, we have everything in here. Maybe I'll do a video on that one day, show you guys what I have in here. We have hay for days. Alrighty. Alright, so I'm just adding a little bit of the chicken food here. See, we just keep a little small plate. Like I said, they drop it everywhere all the time, so, you know, nothing fancy. Alright, here comes one. Just put him in there. There's one. Alrighty, and then here's where we keep their little water. So, right there. And they're always dumping stuff on it. Like they poop in it and they dump the cedar in it. So you have to constantly be back and forth, you know, keeping an eye on them, making sure that, you know, all their food is good to go and, you know, the water's clean. job. He said, nope.
Here comes another one.
Here comes another one. Alrighty, got him. Alright. He said, what? You guys are funny. Good job. Good job. They're so cute. Anyways, well that's that. So we got that done, cleaned it out, got their new food in, their water, cleaned out cedar. I mean, they're good to go. So that was it for today's video. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.